Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a very short quick unboxing video of a new docking station that I got for my laptop. This is the Dell WD19S130W. I don't know if you can see that correctly. There you go. So this is basically a USB-C docking station for your peripherals connected to your laptop. So let's see what it comes with. Very basic generic box. You got some of your paperwork, a quick start guide, so it highly recommends that you update your BIOS before connecting if you have a Dell computer. Comes with a power cable, connect to your dock, and then dock connects to your laptop via USB-C, and basically that's how it powers then. So it supports multiple monitors, 3 monitors to be exact. As you can see, there are multiple combinations that you can do. You can do 2 display port, 2 display port, 2 display port, 1 display port and 1 USB-C, 2 display port and HDMI, 2 display port and USB-C. So if you have 2 monitors, you can do this combination, and if you have 3 more connecting 3 monitors, you can do this combination. In terms of ports, it mentions you got 2 display port, 1 HDMI, 1 USB-C, which supports display port for your display, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1, and your Ethernet cable and the power connector. And on the front you have USB-C 2 generation, USB 3.2 generation 2, which is USB-C, and a USB-A, USB 3.0 Gen 1. And on the sides you have 2 locking connectors, and on the top you have a power and a sleep button. So that's the paperwork. Let's see. So I mentioned comes with a very beefy 130-watt Dell power supply. With a barrel connector. Let's see, 130 watts. Other side of the power cable, the 3 prongs that goes there, and then the docking station itself. This out of the way. So up top, as I mentioned, the power. Up front, USB-C 3.2, both the 3.2. One is USB-C, one is USB-A. On the side, you have 2 locks. And on the back, that's where the magic happens, you have the display port, 2 display port, 1 HDMI, USB-C, which also support display port, high-speed USB-As, your Ethernet connector, and a power cable connector. So one thing interesting I see is there's no audio outs on this one. So one of the other ones that I've been using, if I could get that, oops. Just take this out to show you guys. So the other USB connector or docking station that I've been using is made by Kensington. So it has similar I/O, but if you see up front, it does have a mic and a audio connector. On the side, it has a USB-C or USB-A, and on the back, it has pretty much same I/O. The only problem with this one was that it only supports 100 watts instead of 130 that the Dell has. So that's the targets that I've been using. Sorry, it's just connected right now, so difficult to show you guys. But it does support dual 4K. and I've been really happy with that. No issues, no problems. As you can see, I've got 2 monitors, a USB-C uplink that's connected, and DC in, that is the power connector. This one you can actually connect 4 monitors instead of 3, and then you have multiple USBs. So much more feature rich compared to Dell, and I believe it was a lot cheaper as well. So I'll try Dell and see how that works out. So thank you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.